What's up, dragons? It's Dragon OP, and today I got some better lighting, and we're back with another Lego set. This time we're going to be doing Nightmare, Foxy, and Door. Dresser and Door. Okay, you guys seem to like the last video, so let's do this one too. And again, where did my scissors go? Here they are. And if you guys want, I could do a full review on all my Lego sets if you want. If I get enough likes, leave a comment down below and subscribe. And let's get on with the video. This is what we got. It's a little bag of toys. It's so cute. We got the little lava lamp, phone. And now I'm struggling to get, got these out. Now I'm struggling to get the foxy out just like last time. Okay. Finally, I got the figure out. Got the little nightmare foxy. Now let's look at this guy. Okay, here we go. We got him all out of the packaging. I have some loves and some hates about this guy. Here's some things I love. I love the glowing eyes. I love how he got no eye patch like in the game. Also like how he has his signature Nightmare Foxy paint job. He has the feet and everything. The one thing that I do find very odd is they gave Nightmare Foxy four fingers. And all you know, the Nightmares have 5 fingers. They probably just reused the mode and didn't want to make another one to make money. Money. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure that his mouth is not like Withered Foxy's. Yeah, let's check him out. Like, Withered Foxy, come over here. Ah! Hi. Oh, oops. Okay. Stay. Okay. See, they both... Withered Foxy has some lighter coloring, has the eye patch, and has the ear, and has a little crooked jaw, but still, Nightmare Foxy has a big old open jaw. I don't think that's what they should have done for him. Should have kept him closed mouth like they did with like Nightmare Chica over here. For Nightmare Chica and Nightmare Bonnie. Well, let me get him over here. I love how they did the mouth and everything, but why did they have to make Nightmare Foxy have a big mouth? Okay, let's stop complaining about this figure and get on with the build.